To Adda 24/7. We are in Achiever series for retail banking and wealth management. And today's topic is NEFT, RTGS and IMPS. Very important topic from the point of view of exam also and from the point of view of your daily routine also. Okay. So download Adda 24/7 app in your mobile. Firstly, download this. Why? Because in this app you will be getting all the premium study materials, current affairs, job alerts, daily quizzes, plus live lectures you will be getting, plus notes, plus question bank, plus this test. Okay, so whatever is required for JAIIB, CAIIB and various exams, it's immediately over there. Okay, also subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel you will be getting all the updates for JAIIB, CAIIB and various banking exams, also free YouTube series. These are the two new batches which have already come up for JAIIB. Okay, more on this later. So let's start. First topic is NEFT. NEFT we'll cover it shortly. What is required for your exams only. Okay. NEFT means everybody is using NEFT on a daily basis, but we don't know many times the details of that. So RBI introduced electronic fund transfer called NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer System. Why was this introduced? The reason was to establish the electronic fund transfer system to facilitate an efficient, secure, economical, reliable and expeditious system of funds. Okay. Secondly, system of fund transfer and clearing in the banking sector throughout India means basically to introduce an e-channel. Before this, before RTGS and NEFT, there was no e-channel as such. Everything was related to checks. So that's why bank used to face huge problem. Everything was paper based. So after NEFT and RTGS came in, there were batches for this. Okay. Now NEFT batches are there for 24 hours. Okay, half an hour batch means 48 batches are there now in NEFT. Earlier there was very few batches. Okay. So the objective was mainly to introduce an e-system. Second objective was to relieve the stress on the existing paper-based fund transfer and clearing system. Now paper-based system was hugely used earlier. Everything now many of you just tell me how much percentage of clearing do you get now in your banking, daily banking. Roughly the clearing has reduced to more than 70% now. Means it has remained only 30% because of the advent of all these NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, UPI, right? Second is RTGS. RTGS stands for real-time gross settlement. Now what is the difference between NEFT and RTGS? See this. National Electronic Fund Transfer, this runs in batches and this runs on a real-time basis. Real-time means now I transfer, immediately it gets transferred. Now I agree that UPI which has come up, it is based on that only, right? But before UPI and IMPS, there was RTGS and NEFT. That was the quickest way. So RTGS stands for real-time gross settlement. From exam point of view, these questions are important because these were the pioneers of any of the e-system in the clearing. RTGS system is a fund transfer mechanism where the transfer of money takes place from one bank to another on the real-time basis and on the gross basis. Gross means what? Whatever is received by bank X completely, that is completely transferred to that bank Y. And then it gets settled between the two banks. Okay, this is the fastest possible money transfer system through the banking channel, means for bigger amounts. Okay, even now UPI is there, IMPS is there, but for bigger amounts RTGS is still the fastest method. Okay, third is IMPS, immediate payment service. Immediate payment service or IMPS is an instant fund transfer service and it can be used anytime. IMPS can be simply defined as NEFT plus RTGS, means the good qualities of both NEFT and RTGS, they are taken into account and they are combined together to make the IMPS payment. In order to avoid fraud complaints, the cap on the transaction limit is set very low. For IMPS transfer, you just need to have the destination account holder's IMPS ID, MMID, right? That mobile MMID we call it. So that MMID and mobile number. Based on these two only, this IMPS fund transfer is done. Okay. So this was only the introduction, and this today's lecture is only for giving you the slight idea, gross idea of what this NEFT, IMPS and RTGS system works. Okay. Now tell me, what is the limit for RTGS? Maximum limit. Everyone type fast. Maximum limit for RTGS. Right? No limit. What is the minimum limit for RTGS? Everyone type fast. Minimum limit for RTGS. Correct? It is 2 lakhs, right? Yeah. Below 2 lakhs we go for NEFT. Okay, now before moving ahead, we have the felicitation program arranged on 8th of January for those who have cleared JAIIB, CAIIB in November and December 22. So definitely attended. Those all who have attended this, cleared this exam in November and December 22, definitely attend the 8th January program. It is at 12 p.m. and where is the venue? Second floor, Unitech Cyber Park, Sector 39, Gurugram. So it's in Gurugram. And importantly, Adda 24/7 will reimburse your 3-tier both side tickets. Okay, that is very important. So both side tickets are reimbursed, everything you are getting. So definitely go for it, isn't it? Now we'll come to the question time. What is the minimum amount of stipulation for RTGS transactions? Just now I had asked you 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh and no limit. What is the minimum amount? Yeah, it is correct. It is 2 lakhs, isn't it? Yeah, 2 lakh, correct. Somebody is writing 1 lakh also. No, RTGS is 2 lakhs minimum amount. Okay. Now second point. What is the maximum amount stipulation for RTGS? 10 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 crore and no limit. 10 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 crore and no limit. Type fast in the comment section. For RTGS, maximum amount. Just now I asked you. It is correct. No limit. That's why we call it RTGS, isn't it? What does I in the IMPS stands for? So what does this I stand for? Yes, everyone type fast. Yes. I'll just wait over here. Yeah. It stands for instant, interface or immediate. Just now I gave you in the discussion also. It is correct. It is D, isn't it? It is D. One sec. Let me type it. It is D, immediate. Okay. Everyone clear? D, immediate. MMID is used for fund transfer in IMPS. What does the first M in MMID stand for? Now this is very important. Yes, what does the first M stand for? Yes, fast. Yeah. First M stands for mobile, money, multi, message. Type fast in the comment section. Correct. It is. Who's typing this? Yeah, it's A, mobile. Correct. What is the full form of MMID? Mobile money identifier. Okay. Mobile money identifier. It's called as, I'll write it over here. Okay. Mobile money identifier. Okay. ID. Got it? So that's why the first M stands for mobile. Everyone, okay? Move on. What is the minimum amount of transaction in IMPS? Now this is the important, isn't it? Minimum amount in IMPS. Fast. Yeah. We want minimum, not maximum now. Okay. We want minimum amount of fund transfer. So it is correct. Let me see. Rupees 10, rupees 50, rupees 100, no limit. Very difficult one, isn't it? No limit. There is no limit for minimum amount. I can transfer rupee 1 also, isn't it? Got it? No limit. So these are the two new batches which are coming up now, which have come up already. Started on December 19th. They are in English and bilingual both. See here, there are 4 basic topics for JAIIB now, and we are covering all the important parts, all the important aspects like numericals, objective questions, theory, everything is covered over here. Now other important part is in these the batches are available in English as well as bilingual. Now other important part is discounts, because after all money matters, isn't it? So let's go to the discount part. I'll show you live how to go to Adda 24/7 and get the discounts here. Go to Adda 24/7 live. See this Adda 24. Go to website Adda 24/7 live. Okay. If you are having the app, I would suggest go to the app. In the app, you'll get extra 1%. So that's why I'm saying download that app first. Click on JAIIB and CAIIB. Now you'll see 2 parts: JAIIB, CAIIB Mahapack, CAIIB 23 and JAIIB 23. Click on JAIIB 23. Okay. Once you click on JAIIB 23, you'll see the batches. See this bilingual and English. Click on English. Once you click on English, see this. Now you'll get the details of the batch. So the batches have already started. Go through the details. The batches have already started. Okay. We will be covering all the important parts required for this, for all the 4 subjects. So basically remember, you'll get roughly, the batches are available many, but important part is the timings are also adjusted as per your bank's timings. Okay. Also you'll get a 24/7 recorded videos, so that if you miss out on any class anytime, you can definitely go back for the recorded sessions. Detailed subject wise expertise is available. Also in-depth analysis is available. Okay. In-depth, and you can ask the question up to the last day. Okay. That is also important. And look at the 4 subjects. Okay. I'll cover this later. Okay. After this. So what are the 4 subjects? What is the new portion? Now I'll cover about this payment part. 19,999 is the fees. Okay. What you do is, instead click on this, click on view offers, Y432, put the code Y432. Remember this code, this will give you huge discounts. Click on apply. Now look at this, 19,999 reduces to 3,99980, means almost 4,000. So 19,999 has reduced to 3,99980. 80% off you are getting, and its validity is 8 months. So go for this batch immediately. Now I'll tell you about why am I stressing on this batch, because look at the portion. The portion has changed for JAIIB. Earlier the portion was different, now the portion is different. Okay, so the portion now is there are 4 compulsory subjects. Earlier there were only 3. So 4 compulsory, 2 have been added new. Indian economy and financial system is added new. PPB you had it earlier. Accounting and financial management you had it earlier. Retail banking and wealth management, this is also added. So 2 new subjects have been added, and there is a negative marking also. That's why go for these classes, because you'll need a guide. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye.